ating last game sa araw na ito. Laman ng Senior Division. Ang maglalaman, Highway Legends versus Prestige Basketball. Kawayanan ang first five ng Highway Legends. Number 5, Jaime Atienza. Number 8, Chief Mendoza. Number 12, Danny Olvido. Number 20, Nani Castro. And number 28, Giovanni Hasbrini. Prestige Basketball. Number 6, Anthony Starks, Number 14, Johnny Montano. Number 17, Marvin Sevilla. Number 19, Noah Aguilar. And number 29, Fonzie Brea. First quarter, Sherwood. Same ball, 3 seconds. Castro, Sablay, Sevilla, and Rosie Martin. David Rodell, Saitan, Villarreal, Atienza setuju Sabi. Alvino saya dulu Sanai. Rebound Alvino. Sergio Davida. Enrique Gasso. Steve Benedito. Sergio 2 points. So Steve. 1 points. Number 14, Johnny Montano. Castro, number 19, Rod Ayuba. First person, first team one. Segundo, number 20, Glorias. Basket number. Ayuba the 16 seconds shot clock. goes the rebound. 2 points, Danny Olvido. So Ayuma, nice moves around. Second personal foul on Hasni. Basketball now. Olvido, Ayuma. So 30 seconds. One down, 3 high. 2 points, score, 2 behind. Bossy player. Steven Pereira pindah 2 points. Bossy player. Castro tuan sekitar pilih Mendoza 3 seconds violation. Maria Ramos. Ring was the highway losers. Castro. Rolling. Chase one. Number 28, 2 points. From number 13, number 8, Thomas. She's ready to move it. 3 points. Rafael Dohan, 2 points. And now she goes. By a ball, 2 points from Maputo. Balik naman ang isa rin. Balik sa tuwa siya. Nice fake to Mabel. Number 28 sa 9. 14 seconds. 2 points. Number 35 is broken. Isa pa rin ba? Steal. By number 15. Sabay lang. 5 video. Steal na iniwan niya. And nasi Dabo mapupa 2 points. Dabo iniwan. Steal na naman. Alay. Flores. Bigay si Dabo. Hindi na abot pa. Meron ng foul. Now number 2 ang Danny Olvido. First personal foul, 17 foul para sa 13 foul para sa Highway Legends. 2 free throws to Victoria. Sabay sila mo sa mga rebound Olvido. Delgado. Henrique Flores. Flores, almost 2 points. Number 28, Alba Flores. Valiente. Steve. Save home 13 seconds. 13 seconds to shoot. Valiente, tumayo ball. Tumayo ball. Sablay. Rebound to the goal. Team Valiente. Olvida, 2 points. From Valiente. Flores. Pinning Zidane. Devolve, Enrique Flores. 14 seconds. Ivan Flores, 2 points. Brian Walker, save on that. Save on 14 seconds. On time, on the first bang, on 3 points, Carmelo on time. Aku points na ako. 2 points na ako. Pero, 2 points. Number 13. Carla Gimel ball. Ayaw po, pinili Olvido. Because Canada Olvido yung ball. Sablay, Olvido pa. Isa rebound. Tumo sa kanila. Sablay pa rin. Rebound. Tumo sa rebound. Speed. Ayan po. Valiente, 2 points. Sa steal, isa 2 points. Speed ay magbutay. Sablay. Save on that. Foul number 5. Lead 1, first one. Second rebound. 14 seconds. 3 minutes of the volley bonus. They want it. 2 points. Number 5, they want it. 20 seconds. Valiente sa kwapang Sablay. Rebound the ball. Enrique Flores. 9 seconds. Flores, nilagay pa sa ilalim. Balikin Flores. Sablay. 1 second. Rebound number 14, Cordero. And penalty service. He out again. Speed by Mendoza. Now Nancy Castro, 2 points. Castro from Mendoza. Babasa sa tulong ang Sunday. Solis. Asas ko ang magyan. Nakagawa niya Jensen pero may bago. Ako number 30. Ano number yan? 38? 88, sorry. 88. Panchela, first personal down. Verse 30. Rebound out of him. Number 16. And Rajiv Solis. He will give up there. Nice catch. Sandigo supply. Rebound Sandigo. Sandigo supply. 6 seconds. Sandigo up. 5 seconds. 2 points. Martin Sandigo. Number 17. And Rajiv Castro. 14 seconds. Ooh, nice moving now for now. Nice super ball game from Telo. 9 seconds. 9 seconds to shoot. Hasmin Zahai, rebound from Telo. And Anthony Solis. Nice pass. Something else. 14 seconds, rebound, double change it. Solis, rebound, Tempasa. And there's a Castro. Castro, Sayana Sabran, rebound, Sandigo. And there's Solis, nice Castro, Archeta, rebound, all the people. Castro lain natin, hindi na mo na 2 points. Lori Castro from Dani Olvido. Solis, Ortero. Chirome. Foul number 17, Marvin Sandigo. 14 foul. First personal foul. Foul number 17. All rebounds of that. Same ball down, 16 seconds. 16 seconds to shoot. Last one, one Presto Saylan. 2 points. Lodi Castro. Pabasa wala naman. Ortero Solis. They become the best band. 3 boys. Child Solis. Castro. Superman. Ortero Castro. 2 points. Atienza. Solis. Supply, rebound, Sandigo. Supply, 14 seconds. Nice pass to Solis. 2 points from Ortero. Castro supply. Change back, change back. lane one. Valiente, con el 2. Seguimos Valiente. Ottoman, for 3, July. Ayuman, 2 points. Valiente. Ottoman, Samela. Ayuman Samela. Foul number 21. Ball Butay. First personal foul. First team foul. 14 seconds. Kurea sa ilalim supply. Rebound of Valiente. Rayo Mendoza. Energy for the ball. Bayo Bogi na abot ni Ayuman. 14 seconds. 14 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. For 3, Sabra. Rebound left right. Energy for the ball. Carlos Mendoza. Ottoman for 3. Timeout. Prestige. 2 points by Ottoman. Official score 38-25. In the win of Keeper 6. Timeout Prestige. Sebo Dallas, 14 seconds, kumawalik mo. 14 seconds to shoot. Ayuman sa Blanay. Rebound Mendoza. Energy, Valiente, Emilio Ottoman sa Blanay. Bayo Pro sa rebound, 14 seconds. Magbigay sa 3. Vamos pa sa naman. Steal, driving Mendoza. Energy Valiente. Ottoman. Bayo Pro. Valiente, Mendoza. Inabot sa Ramani. Now number 19, brought by Ayuman. Second personal foul. First team foul. Two Wiggles. Number 8, Chief Mendoza. Basket team winner. Basket team winner. Pemasa 11 13 please. Now number 22, Bayo Pro, first personal. Second team foul. Two free throws, number 13. Santa Demonte. Basket team. Sablay ng pangalawa, 40 seconds. Ligranya, follow-up sa 5 minutes, 30 seconds, 2 points. Tigotin natin tayo. Deporte. Who's going up? Number 3. Delgado. Second team from Venezuela, 50 seconds. Delgado first person down on Delgado. Coming out across the line. Rebound. Ligranya. Ayan na si Delgado. Binigay pa kay Ayuman. 2 points. From Delgado. Nagulay kung Mendoza. Balikin Otto, Bibitang Andres. Sabay. Rebound Delgado. Hindi Ayuman. Ayuman. Bibitang Delgado. 3 seconds violation. 56 seconds. Mabuday, Mendoza, for 3, Sabay, rebound, Ligranya. Kaya si Ligranya, pinipita bola Sabay. Rebound and follow-up, 2 points. Number 29, Bomsi Flea. 39 seconds. 40 seconds. Follow-up, Sabay pa rin. 60 seconds. Delgado, kinaliwa, Sabay, 10 seconds. Oitoan, 4 seconds. Mendoza, rebound. Three-minute break po tayo. 3-minute break. After halftime break po tayo. 3 minutes. Change by Pagkutana sa third quarter. Solis. Villanueva. Shots of line. Rebound Olvido. Nagkasi Castro. Castro. Olvido ulit. And one. Who's running? Number 88. Marvin Ancheta, first personal foul, second personal foul, first team foul. Basketball time. Rollers free throw, number 20, Rudy Castro. Start time, 14 seconds. Ay kang bola, sabi na. Nagkasi Ancheta. Bigay Gonzales. Flores, nilapit na konti sa line. Rebound. Save ball tayo, 14 seconds. Steal by Atienza. Ano si Castro? Castro sa line. Who's running? Number 35. Number 35, first personal foul, Albert. Second, Albert De Morgan. Subline. De Morgan sa rebound. Or not. 2 points, Marvin Ancheta. Castro, 14 seconds. Pwede ba ito ang kamera? 14 seconds. Lalo ko yung mga 2 points, Olvido. Steal! Hindi! Sama! Rebound! Olvido! Yan ang si Castro. 40 seconds. 10 seconds. Foul number 6. 6 ba? Villanueva. 40 seconds. 30 foul on the first team. Atienza, 2 points. First personal foul on Elvin Villanueva. Ito na si Villanueva. Sablahin. Foul number 20. Rudy Castro. First personal foul on Castro. 2 free throws, number 35. Albert De Morgan. Sablay ang free throw. Sablay ang rebound. At si Hussein. Bigyan niya sa bigay pa kay Castro. Break 2 points. Rudy Castro, 2 points from Jaime Atienza. Tama. Prestige. And that's the first NBA Suns. 15 seconds. And check. To Flores. Good job, good, give it to Flores. Ivan Flores. Castro. 30 seconds. Fire turnover. Tumama kay Bayagor ng bola. Kaya naman si Soles. Soles. Tumansyala. Pinigil pa kay Flores. 2 points. Ivan Flores. From Bobby Manchetta. Castro. 40 seconds. Steve Ray. 2 points. Apesa. 40 seconds. 10 seconds. All Rico sa ilalim. Supply by McLeod. Number 28. Ivan Flores. First person down, Ivan Flores. 40 down. Ramazan. 2 people study on Rico. Sabay pa rin ang pangalawa, rebound, nakapuntahan niya, player. Flores, nabitaw. Steve Atienza. Number 35, Devon Valera. Sino ba na? Number 8? Si Solis. Solis na. First person now on Solis. Ronnie Papel, DQ Prestige. Silvino, Ronnie Castro. Sabay. Chase that advantage by Jimmer. Round number 20, Castro. Second person down, Castro, 17 block. Round number 20, Castro. Third person down, 30 down. 2 free throws, number 59, Bobsy Brea. Masuk, kesalahan buat. Castro, Otto, Castro. 8 seconds. Then pass number 3. Hotel hinigigil ni Juana. Pinasa sa likod, 2 points. Delgado from Ayuno. Otto, turnover. Ada bola sa Prestige. 15 seconds. Ayuma for 3, 10. 3 points. 9 Ayuma from the double. 14 seconds. Orvieto, 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Who's got that number? 3, Delgado. Timeout, Pirates. Set official foul number 3, Ricky Delgado. Timeout, Pirates.
Wait lang, gag. Nasa TV ka, no? Buti nyo kasama si Cora. Tumawa si Ayo.
14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Steal by Mandela. Turnover. Balik bola sa Pirates. Valier. Valier dari Toman. 40 seconds. Castro for 3, supply. Rebound Border. Steal by Toman. 2 points, Donnie on middle. Red 1. Total go. 40 seconds. Ayuma supply. Rebound, double then getting closer. As he got so big, Tohan 2 points from Mel on Tohan from Castro. Rhea. Total Gada for 3, supply. Rebound, Ayuma. Now time around. Sina. 17 Valiente. 14 seconds. Correa, 2 points. Goes first to foul on Valiente. 30 foul. 2 minutes. Olvido to Castro. Castro for 3, supply. Rebound, Nick 1. Era si Tabo. Tabo na bitawan, binigay na Ayuman. Raya, pinili pa ng Raya sa bahay. 40 seconds, 2 points. Raya. Valiente. 40 seconds. Olvido, una fuerza sa ilalim. Foul number 14. Joey Cordero. First personal foul on Joey Cordero. Penalty. Bonus video number 12. Daniel Alvarez on back. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Rebound Valdez. Nako, malakas. 48.4 seconds. Greg. The ball now. Goal line. 36.6 seconds. Delgado step back some nine. Rebound Dasha. 10 seconds. Three point 4 seconds. 2 seconds. Brilliant. Steelers, stay ball. 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Alingay by the ball. Brian Hogan Roberts on line. Rebound number 28, Ivan Torres. Evan Gomez. Lawrence, 2 points. Twelve seconds. Somebody see what's green. Evan Gomez. Lawrence, 38 by Ivan. Somebody rebound. Valiente. Evan Gomez. Marco for 3. 2 points down. 2 points. Alceta. Flores. 12 seconds. 6 seconds. 2 points. Alceta from Flores. And Nancy Castro. Rui Otohan, bigyan na natin sa line. Rebound, Mayobog. Sandra Castro sa rebound. Para 2 points, Lodi Castro. 7-3-54. Devolve. Sa line. 14 seconds. Grabe naman yung tabo, ayaw mong panawag ng tabo. By a ball, 2 points from Castro. Nasa 20. Sonny Star out here, 40 seconds. Delgado for 3, Sabay. Foul number 6. Villarreal. 70 foul on Villarreal. First rebound. Same ball. Third one, second shot clock. Castro. Sablay, Henry Brown, Arizona. Our number 8, Chad Solis. Second personal foul on Chad Solis, second free foul. Out of the prestige. Two free throws, number 20, Rudy Castro. Isa lang ang buwan. Kaya na si Solis. Ikikikil na ito, pumayin na. Pagmamayan, 2 points. Anthony Villanueva. Steve Solis. Ikikikil na ito. Non-straight sa drive. Same ball. 17 seconds. Almobiel. Sablay, rebound. Villanueva. Sonny Sablay, rebound. Vivo. Grazie per il gol. Bayo Ball, Villanueva, 2 points. Arnel Bayo Ball. 40 now, and Grazie Solis. 10 seconds. Delgado, Sunday morning, rebound by the block. Steal by Solis. Solis beating Delgado, 2 points. Rebound Delgado from Chad Solis. Steal by Villanueva. Delgado down again. Step back, 2 points. Out of here. Money out of here. Olvido. Ibang tayo. Out number 16. Money out of here. First personal foul, 13 foul. 18 seconds shot clock. Bayo Ball, leaders at 9, 2 points. Arnel Bayo Ball. And then as we go down, Villanueva, Sablay, rebound Castro. Olvido, Filipina, Bolas, Usan. Who's on that? Almobiel, second personal foul. 4th people. 2 free throws, Manny Olvido. That's it. Sablay, rebound, Bayo Ball, 14 seconds, Sablay got it, 14 seconds, 2 points, Olvido. Vamos a 18. Solis. Solis to Martin. Solis Martin. Rebound by the ball. David Basa. And Basa to Oton. Lumapit ng Cortez. Supply ba eh? Rebound Olvido. Super 2 Vamos a 16. Celino, 2 points. Balik sa 18. And Razio Olvido pinigay Otohan. 3 points. Carmelo Otohan. Dito na 8 seconds. Dito na and si Bravo. Steal by the ball. Nabitawan. Energy of Toman. Nakakupan ni Celino. 44 seconds. Ingat ka po tayo ang mga kasama. Ingat ka po sa kasama. Final ball to Mendoza. Sablay. Rebound, Sanigo. 31 seconds. Almodial, buwang baba. Sablay. 14 seconds. Suarez to Almodial. 18-point vision. Ortoman, Sablay. 14 seconds. Sablay pa rin. Final ball, 2 points. 7.9. 5 seconds. Sablay, kamay-kamay po tayo. Pagtapos,